What if I told you your entire life is being written, not by fate, not by luck, but by the power of your own mind? The ancient law of mentalism says all is mind, meaning your thoughts are not just private whispers in your head. They are the blueprint of your reality. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this universal law to shape your destiny and why mastering it could be the single most important skill you'll ever learn. The law of mentalism is the very first principle of the 7 Hermetic laws, originating from the Hermetic teachings of ancient Egypt and Greece, credited to the legendary Hermes Trismegistus. This principle says, the all is mind, the universe is mental. Translation? Everything you see, touch, and experience begins as a thought. Before a skyscraper was built, it was an idea in someone's head. Before a relationship formed, it was an intention in someone's heart. If you accept this, then you realize your mind is not just a receiver of reality. It's the creator of it. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds mystical, but is there proof? Science actually backs this up. Neuroscience tells us our thoughts literally rewire our brains through neuroplasticity. Your repeated mental patterns become your habits become your actions, and your actions shape your life. Quantum physics even suggests that observation affects reality at the subatomic level. In other words, consciousness is not separate from the physical world. It's woven into it. So whether you approach it spiritually or scientifically, the takeaway is the same. What you focus on, you amplify. What you believe, you build. Clarify your mental blueprint. If your mind is a projector, what movie are you playing? Write down in vivid detail exactly what you want your life to look like. Not just the goals, but how you want to feel. Specificity gives your mind a clear blueprint to work from. Control your inner dialogue. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. It simply follows the instructions you give it. That means if your self-talk is full of doubt, your results will match that doubt. Replace negative scripts with empowering affirmations. Mental rehearsal. Top athletes use visualization before every game, seeing themselves winning in their minds first. You can do the same. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily feeling as if your desired future is already here. Act as if. Mentalism is not daydreaming, it's aligning your behavior with your vision. If you believe you're a successful entrepreneur, start making decisions that a successful entrepreneur would make, even before the results show. Protect your mental space. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dump garbage on it, so be careful with the media you consume, the people you spend time with, and the environments you live in. Your mental garden needs clean soil. Here's where most people fail. They confuse wishful thinking with mentalism. The law doesn't work if you visualize a dream, but live in a way that contradicts it. Your conscious mind and subconscious must be in harmony. Another trap? Impatience. Reality shifts at the pace of your belief and action. Plant the seed, water it daily, and trust the process. A friend of mine was stuck in a corporate job he hated. He decided to apply the law of mentalism, spent 10 minutes a day visualizing running his own design studio, feeling the excitement and freedom. Over a year, he took courses, built a small client base on the side, and shifted his entire network toward creative work. 2 years later, he's running that studio full-time. Did it happen overnight? No, but the mental shift started the chain reaction. Your mind is not a cage, it's a compass. The law of mentalism is not magic, it's mastery. If you want to change your life, start by changing your mental world,